Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and the game is crashing on the loading screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced crashing on the loading screen easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Assassin's Creed games folder. So the default location should be in your Steam's folder, Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, and then Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Right click on the exe and then just delete it from here. Don't worry, we're going to get it back again. Now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Click onto properties, install files, click onto verify integrity of game files here, and once it's done verifying your game's files integrity, then it's going to re-download that exe file that we just deleted, and then you're going to right click on it, click onto properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then close this up. Now I have a fix for NVIDIA and AMD only. So if you have an NVIDIA card, I'll show you that first. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA app, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go into system, advanced. You're going to make sure debug mode is turned on. What debug mode does it resets any overclocks that you may have set on your graphics card, because overclocks can be unstable and hence crash your game. So just turn debug mode on. Now onto AMD, you're going to right click on your desktop, open up AMD Adrenalin Edition, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go into performance and then tuning. Now you're going to make sure tuning control is set to default, so no overclocks or underclocks should be set on your graphics card. After that, close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to try to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that loading screen problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.